Hey everybody, it's Michael Lehet. How are you? It is a balmy and wonderful 13 degrees in Chicago. And what better thing to do than to get out there and to have some fun? So, like I said, it's 13 degrees, and I'm actually heading up to check out the Improv Everywhere No Pants subway ride. It's actually the 9th annual running, I guess you'd say, of the No Pants on the subway. Started in New York and has spread across the country and the world. I think there are about 30 or 40 cities that are participating in the events today. So let's go check out No Pants subway ride, see what's going on, and see what kind of crazy people are, gonna ride the subway on this cold day with no pants. Me, on the other hand, I got my base layers on, and I am not taking my pants off. Let's go have some fun. I see boys with backpacks checking the box. I think they're going the same route as I am. Oh yeah, there's already people starting to meet. Crazy, there's gonna be a lot of people taking their pants off. Who's taking their pants off? You are? Why are you taking your pants off?
I've discovered I'm an exhibitionist. It's like, I have a lot of homework to do today, but then my friends were like, come ride the CTA pantsless.
So this is like an easy way to express your fetish.
Yeah. I mean, later in the quarter, I'll be running through our school library naked right before finals. So this is just like a warm-up. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Are you taking your pants off? You're not?
I'm supporting you.
Oh, good for you. You're going to take your pants off?
Yes, I am.
I see you have easily accessible pants, too.
I wear my workout clothes easy accessible.
Why?
Because it's the coldest fucking day for some ungodly reason. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this in the summer?
So why are you taking your pants off?
52 Adventures, 1 year, number 2.
Oh, this is number 2. What was your first one?
A dream on the train, as a matter of fact.
So why are you taking your pants off?
Because I'm absolutely out of my mind and it's fun.
Pantslessness is a cause I've supported for many years, and I just take the opportunity to support it when I can.
And normally you just support it in your living room, but today you're spreading the word?
I'm bringing it out to the streets, and I think that's important.
It's like Benjamin Franklin said, pantslessness is next to godliness.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Why are you taking your pants off?
It seemed like a good thing to add to the bucket list.
Why are you taking your pants off today?
Why not?
Did you tell your mother?
Yes.
And what was her response?
She put Bunny aside to bail us out of jail.
You cannot imagine how cold it is out here. We are next to the lake at Burger Park. The wind is blowing, it's freezing, and it's very funny, but this reminds me a lot of March of the Penguins because the crowd is in there trying to stay warm, they're bundled up, they're pushed up against each other.
Who can feel their hands? Raise them.
Did you tell your mother?
I did, actually.
You did? And what was her response?
She wanted me to dress warmly.
Be red!
It's a video.
So now that you've taken your pants off, how do you feel?
I feel great.
I feel liberated.
More clothes on.
I feel like Lady Gaga.
happened?
I forgot to put on pants today. So
Chicago in-state is next. No open on the right at Chicago in-state.
So now that you've taken your pants off and written the CTA, how do you feel?
I feel fulfilled, I feel happy and excited.
So what's next?
You know, we're gonna ride the L again with no pants.
Did you know it was no pants day?
I did not know.
You did not know. Well, you can still join in.
Oh. That's nice to know.
Did you not know it's no pants day on the CTA?
No, we did not.
Oh.
That's right.
Are you surprised?
Yes, it is surprise. What's going on?
It's no pants day.
Just like out of nowhere?
No pants day. You know, like Mother's Day, like Father's Day. It's no pants day. You can still join in the festivities if you want.
You're okay, simple.
Why is it no pants day?
Why not?
What are you doing?
Squeezing in. Wait, crap, is this normal? Yeah. Why are you guys wearing any pants?
Yeah, well, me. Oh, well, it's against my religion. Me because I'm holding them.
You do the fandango, thunderbolt and lightning.